and they must look like you. This all love, it ain't changing, cause you are beautiful.
Hello everyone, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucy, aka That Business Baddie. I normally do videos on like marketing, education, personal development, but from time to time I lead onto the baddie side of things, and I do things in the hair and the beauty and the style elements of life. And today we're here with another hair video. If you watched my last one, credits to you. If you haven't, find it. If you haven't, I will put it somewhere on the screen, but today, let's focus on today. Today, we're gonna be talking about this little cutie that's on my head. And I better not be ashy. Okay, this little cutie that's on my head, right? And this cutie is from NiaWigs. It's from NiaWigs. Right? And I'm gonna be talking a little bit about this brand today. I'm gonna end with some expose on Zusi, and I'm okay with that today because it's gonna allow you to get to know me and my story a little bit. Well, I'm not gonna waffle too much about the problem and then get into the solution at the end, so you've watched 9 minutes of my video and I've got wait
a minute,
all of that. So I am just gonna begin with the solution. I'm just gonna straight off the bat tell you what it is, what's up. Okay, the solution is NiaWigs. Now this is not cap. This is an ad. Like, I'm being paid for this video, but one thing I'll tell you for the future of my videos is that I'm never gonna work with a brand that I don't like. Like, this is warning. Send me something I don't like, I will put it in the mail and send you a message and say, I'm so sorry, take it back. I'm so sorry, take it back. But today is nothing like that. It's genuinely nothing like that. When I received this hair, I was shocked. I've genuinely never seen, I don't know what's going on with these new hair companies, but the packaging is so elite. I was shocked. I'm gonna insert a clip. It was plastic wrapped. It was shiny. It was ready to go. I was so excited. Like, I've never received packaging like this. It felt like Christmas. It genuinely did. I was like unpackaging that thing, so happy. So yeah, it came in this box, yeah, but it was plastic sealed, right? And then inside of it, I mean, did you just see that? Did you see this? Who do you know does this? Tell me, who do you know? And then this comes up, gold. Period. And then inside of the box, because Christmas came early. Happy Christmas. Inside of the box, they gave me headbands like this one I'm wearing right now. They gave me this one. They gave me this one, and they gave me this one. Now that's the only thing I'd say that I could. Let me stop. That's the only thing that I could say that I would maybe a little bit like push back on, is that, like, you know, I feel like I have an extended goth phase. I feel like I have some difficulties wearing any other color but black. So it's been really pushing me out of my comfort zone to try and style the other color. You'll see on my Instagram. Okay. On my Instagram, I styled the white one and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. And that's the amazing thing about this hair. Let me rant for a second. Sis, just let me do it. It's so versatile. Like, I'm doing it like in a ponytail. I did like an off the top. I didn't like that as much, but it was kind of cute. I did like an off the, like on the side kind of thing, and then I did all back. That was really cute. And so there's just so many ways you can wear this hair, and I've seen so many amazing Instagrammers like wear the headband wings. The headband wings. Why am I saying wings? I'm hungry. Seeing so many Instagrammers wear the headband wigs in so many ways. So it's so exciting. And I didn't even know there's some girls out there. Come, let's talk about it too. Let's talk about it. Because some girls out there who've been wearing headband wigs, and I had no idea. I had zero idea. Until I said, wait a minute.
Wait a damn minute.
I've seen this look. Let me go. Let me go check some things. And if you see the like chunky headband style that's been going on right now, a lot of girls are leaning into headband wigs. So yeah, get into it. Go check it out. It's really cute.
hold on.
Imagine, I was about to forget. You guys better not think that I just came here to wash and that I had nothing on the plate.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Because I have something for you. I have something for you. If you use this code, I don't know where they gave you my full government, but here it is. If you use this code right here, yeah, you get money. I did that for you. I did that for you. I did. I promise you I did. So you need to get to that website quickly, right? And when you get to that website, don't forget to use this code, because sometimes we do that, you know, when you get a discount code, you just leaves your mind. But like, remember this, put it in your notes, get ready. But yeah, where was I going with this? You know, sometimes I just be talking. When I get excited, I talk really fast. I fluctuate between accents and there's no stopping me. So. Let me tell you why. It is that this partnership has been so important to me. Because my edges and I have not really been friends for a while. Listen, when I was a baby, I was nice and plump and my hair was healthy. Look at her, she's kind of cute. But then as I started growing, there was a culture in London of like all these light-skinned girls and non-black girls with their like long straight hair. And you know, that self-hate culture was real. It was actually real back then. I'm talking like 2005, 2006, 2007. And I was just like, why? I went to my mom and I was like, why did you give me this hair? Like, why couldn't you give me the long flowy hair like the other girls, right? I wanted to be Hannah Montana. I wanted to be all those Disney Channel celebrities. I was like, why don't I have the long hair? So I coerced my mom into relaxing my hair. I did. At a very young age, I did. And I relaxed my hair so much that my edges just disappeared. They just went. And it's like, it's not even like, oh, I had edges as a kid and I lost them when I started wearing wigs. Like, my edges and I have been in a long distance relationship for a while. A while. If you see this picture, you'll see it. Hopefully I can find the picture, but you will see it. And it's really, really sad. And so when I started wearing wigs, because I was like, I need to cover these edges. I need to hide them. I don't want people to see them. But it just made it worse, obviously, because I was wearing glued wigs. It went from 10% to negative 10%. I no longer had, they were gone. Not even long distance, they were gone. They don't break up, they don't go. Like it was clipped for me, right? And then I just started thinking, you know, you make all these bad decisions, relaxers, wigs, all of that. You don't really take care of your hair. And then you think, what can I do now? And I've been spending so much money on trying to get my hair to grow. I done big chop and regrow too many times, done natural, everything. I've done it all, right? But my hair just wasn't having it. It was like, I'm not trusting you again with any more growth. So I've just been looking for solutions for a really long time. So when this brand reached out and they said, okay, we have these headband wings, let's try them. I'd seen them around, but my fear was that it would just look mad, like unnatural. It wouldn't really look like elite, like you couldn't, like, you know, you couldn't be a baddie with a headband wig. That's what I was thinking, like. And then when they sent this to me and I just could create so many styles and do so many things with it, that's what really excited me. Because it's like, I don't need to wake up on these Zoom school calls and do the most. Like, I really don't. Like, I just and then like, and it's that easy. I just put on the wig, literally, and just put on the headband, spray it a little bit, style it a little bit, and I'm good to go. So invest now before these things get too expensive for anyone to buy anymore. Invest now before these things get extortionate. Like, invest now, sis. So yeah, that's my quick little video, my quick little expose on my bald-headed self and my on-edge childhood. But yeah, get this wig. Remember to use the discount code and share it. Send it to me when you get it. I want to see the pictures. I'm gonna repost you. I'm gonna share it so that people can see it too. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, right? And stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you know when I upload next, so I can give you more hair tips. But no, I think the my next videos are kind of gonna be leaning back towards the business side of things, and I'm gonna tell you guys kind of how you can really monetize some of your platforms, how you can generate more capital. So stay tuned for those videos. Those will be really interesting and really exciting. My name is Susie, aka That Business Baddie, and I'll see you in the next